observed that there are few green areas left in the city, and forest has been cut down.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Silky, how are you today?
I'm fine, thank you.
How about you first?
I'm okay, teacher.
And you, Jino?
I'm good.
Fantastic. Today, we are going to have a small discussion about the environmental problems facing your country.
Sounds interesting.
So, I'm going to start with my first question. Silky, what do you think is the most pressing environmental issue facing your country today?
That's a very interesting question. I think the most pressing environmental issue facing my country today is deforestation.
Sounds interesting, Silky. Why do you think like that exactly?
Well, I observed that there are few green areas left in the city, and forest has been cut down. Deforestation leads to the loss of wildlife, wildlife, habitats,
Droughts.
droughts and flash flooding, soil erosion, and landslides. It also reduces the country's ability to store carbon, which contributes to global warming and climate change.
You've raised some very worthwhile and interesting points there, Silky. Thank you for your contribution.
You're welcome.
Now, let's move on to another important question. Jino, what do you think are the main causes of this?
I think the main causes of deforestation in my country are firstly illegal logging, slash and burn cultivation, and land development. For settlements have destroyed forests and natural habitats. Secondly, large development projects like hydropower dam construction and mining activities have contributed to the loss of forests. And lastly, infrastructure development projects, in particular road construction, make it more accessible for forest clearance.
Thank you, Jino, for that intake on the main causes of deforestation.
You're welcome, teacher.
We still haven't heard from First yet, so I'm going to pose my last question to you first. How do you think we can solve this problem?
Well, teacher, there are some possible solutions which I want to propose. Firstly, promote environmentally friendly developments, namely sustainable agricultural production. Secondly, promote forest carbon credit projects. And lastly, public awareness raising in parallel to enforcement of laws and regulations.
Thank you everyone for participating in the small discussion today.
Anytime, teacher.
Next week, we are going to continue our theme of discussions, but we are going to proceed to the economic problems facing your country.
That must be interesting.
We are going to do some more research for that.
Very good. Thank you very much, everyone. Good job. Well done.